on!
Farting truck.
Okay, let's go! Ah! 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 Oh no! What do I do? I should go to the Easy Clean repair shop.
Welcome! This is Nick's Easy Clean Repair Shop. Oh!
I'm sorry. I keep farting. It's driving me crazy. It smells bad, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. I should repair you and get you washed. Shall we go to the repair shop?
Yes.
Oh dear, the exhaust is full of dust. I'll remove the dust first. Let's change this. The light is broken. I'll repair it. Done! Okay, shall we get you washed up? Spray some water first. Apply some soap. Let's rinse. Let's add some shine. Nice and shiny. You're all done.
Wow! Thanks so much! My body feels a lot lighter now.
Try starting your engine.
Wow! I'm not farting anymore. There are no more fumes either. Thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome anytime.
Great. I should go and load the goods. Bye.
Goodbye. Click here to subscribe. Press like.